today's program is a sensitization and awareness campaign purposely for the local governments in the Kano metropolis, and we are intending to plant 100,000 seedlings within Kano, as we have discussed to so many media outlets recently. So we are starting with the Kano metropolis today, the local governments that are there, and then we're trying to create this awareness to tell them why we are even doing this, how they can take part of it, and how they can serve as our ambassadors in their own immediate community.
Well, I think the most important thing we have to tap on, the solutions are being proposed on and on by different institutions, experts, and what have you. So for Nigeria specifically, yes, the government has put in place so many strategies. So this is how everything we do, we need to factor in, the risk of climate change. Prominently in Nigeria, every year in and out we see the problem of flooding. But that means that we are challenged to look at how we organize our spaces. And then if you come at the level of individuals and communities, I believe, they say one tree doesn't make a forest. It means that what I as an individual would do and you as well do together will create a bigger impact.
When we talk about climate change, we have basically two causes. We have the natural and then we have the man-made. In terms of the natural, as the earth it is, naturally the cycle is bound to change from time to time. But the danger is when we bring in the man-made aspect of contributing to climate change. And the major and chief contributor is our emission of greenhouse gases, mostly carbon dioxide. We release this carbon dioxide from our industries, from our vehicles, from our homes, from the type of energy we use to cook, from the type of energy we use for air conditioning of our homes, and even from the type of food we eat, even from the type of agricultural produce. They also emit, even in terms of rearing of our animals. The way out is that we have to find ways to adapt and at the same time mitigate this phenomenon that we're talking about when it comes to climate change. For example, the program today, PANACIA, is basically into nature-based. That is, we can plant trees. Is one way to deal with this impact because it will clean our air, which means our air will be cleaner. It will reduce the extreme heat that we are experiencing.
Preview. AIT.live. On air, online, online.